As I wrapped up this month-long experience, I couldn't help but think about the world of mental health care evolving around us. It opened my eyes to just how crucial it is to explore diverse avenues for support because, at the end of the day, everyone's journey is unique. Our struggles with mental health are deeply personal, often feeling isolating, yet I discovered that reaching out, whether through a chatbot or with a friend, can truly lighten the load. In this journey, I found that technology could serve as a valuable ally, a tool for encouragement, and a gateway to understanding myself better. By embracing AI, I uncovered new ways to process emotions and challenge my thoughts. However, it's essential to recognize that the human experience of empathy and connection remains irreplaceable, highlighting the importance of balancing traditional therapy with innovative solutions. In reflecting on this journey, I realized that mental health is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. While AI has provided assistance, insight, and support, it's clear that genuine human interaction holds an unparalleled value in healing. Embracing technology in our mental health toolkit can empower us, but we mustn't forget the strength found in vulnerability and connection with others. So, as we navigate the complexities of our minds, let's remember to blend the two worlds, benefiting from advancements while cherishing the irreplaceable warmth of human empathy. After all, we are never alone in this struggle, and true healing often comes from both digital and human elements coming together harmoniously. As I look back on this transformative month, I can confidently say that while AI therapy tools offer promising support, they are not a replacement for the depth of human connection. The journey through mental health is multifaceted, filled with ups and downs, and embracing this complexity can foster resilience. Whether through tech or therapy, the act of reaching out is a vital step toward healing. Ultimately, it's a blend of innovation and humanity that will shape how we approach our mental well-being. Together, we can redefine the narrative around mental health support and build a community that thrives on both understanding and compassion. While this experiment emphasized the new possibilities in mental health support, it also reminded me of the importance of self-compassion. As I continue this journey, I aim to hold both AI and authentic human connection close, embracing each for what they bring to my well-being. Through this balance, I remain hopeful that we can all find the right tools for our mental health, regardless of their origin. Ultimately, each step forward, whether with AI or through heartfelt conversations with others, is meaningful in the pursuit of better mental health. As I reflect on this journey of integrating technology into my mental health care routine, I recognize that adjustments are necessary. AI tools are not a cure-all but can certainly contribute to our understanding of ourselves. The daily use of these resources helped foster a sense of self-awareness that I previously struggled to achieve. By learning to listen to my feelings without fear, I began to cultivate a personal practice of kindness and acceptance. As I step away from this experience, I carry with me a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance between technology and mental health care. This exploration has taught me that while AI tools can be beneficial companions in our emotional journeys, they cannot replace the genuine warmth, understanding, and validation that comes from human Embracing both avenues has become a part of my ongoing commitment to mental wellness, reminding me always to choose connection, whether through innovation or the embrace of another soul. Healing is not merely a destination but a continual process, enriched by the diverse resources we allow ourselves to access and the connections we choose to foster along the way. I encourage everyone to be open to trying new approaches, whether through technology or traditional means. Embracing multiple avenues for support can ultimately lead to a richer understanding of ourselves and our mental health. You deserve to feel supported and understood, so take that brave step to explore what works best for you. Together, let's foster a climate of openness, where conversations about mental health become a vital part of our daily lives. With courage and compassion, we can navigate this journey together, creating a community built on shared experiences and genuine understanding. As I continue to navigate the complexities of mental health, I am reminded that each individual's path is unique. This month has taught me that while technology can be a useful resource for support, it is essential to seek out both innovative solutions and the warmth of human connection. Embracing this duality fosters a sense of belonging and understanding that is crucial during times of emotional turmoil. It is through this blend of AI tools and heartfelt interactions that we can truly enhance our mental well-being and encourage conversations about mental health to flourish in our communities. As I reflect on this journey, it's essential to acknowledge that embracing technology in our mental health toolkit is not merely about replacing traditional approaches. Instead, it's about enhancing our understanding and compassion for ourselves and others, forging new paths to support. AI has stepped in as a bridge to help us navigate our feelings, challenge negative thoughts, and foster self-awareness. The key takeaway? Our emotional well-being is a multifaceted experience that thrives on both innovation and the timeless power of authentic connections. Together, we can pave the way for a future where mental health discussions remain open, accessible, and deeply human. As I move forward, I find myself reflecting on the lessons learned from this exploration and the strength I've gained through embracing both AI tools and genuine human connections. The journey through mental health is ongoing, complex, and sometimes messy, but every step taken, whether with a chatbot or a supportive friend, brings us closer to understanding ourselves better. By integrating these diverse approaches, we can create an environment where emotional wellness is nurtured, and every individual feels validated in their experiences. Ultimately, our commitment to mental health should encompass both innovation and the beauty of human relationships, allowing us to break barriers and transform lives. Together, we can build a future where discussions around mental health are not only encouraged but celebrated. As I navigated through weeks of interacting with AI, I began to appreciate how these tools brought an element of structure to my chaotic thoughts. They helped me to develop a routine, encouraging me to engage daily with my emotions and thoughts. Because of this consistent check-in, I found myself facing challenges with more clarity than before. With the weight of my feelings mapped out in the digital realm, I started to learn how to unravel my inner turmoil, one entry at a time. Each interaction became a stepping stone toward greater emotional literacy, as I learned to identify my triggers and responses. While the intimacy of a caring human presence was absent, the technological support offered me a new lens through which to see and understand my mental landscape. In conclusion, this month has been a journey of self-discovery, highlighting the blend of technology and human connection in mental health care. By embracing both AI tools and human support, we can foster an environment of healing, ensuring that no one feels alone in their struggles. Remember, every step, whether with tech or through a heartfelt conversation, matters in our pursuit of mental wellness. Ultimately, my experience emphasizes that mental health care is not solely about choosing one method over another, but rather about finding the right balance that works for each person. Combining technology and human connection creates a more compassionate and effective approach to healing, reminding us that we are never truly alone.